Casey Anthony is fighting a judge's order to have her story sold as part of her bankruptcy proceedings. WESH 2's Bob Keeling reports this issue is about to come to a head in federal bankruptcy court in Tampa.
In a new filing peppered with dramatic language, Casey Anthony's legal team argues any attempt to sell her life story would require a judicial invasion and taking of thoughts and memories. Why? Because they argue Anthony's story has not yet been written and would require her labor to do so. If ordered by the court to do that, Anthony's attorneys say that would sound the death knell of the primary purpose of bankruptcy proceedings. That is, for Anthony to get a fresh start financially without the burden of $800,000 in debt she claims to owe now. In a hearing last month, Anthony testified that she has no job, income, or savings and depends on the kindness of others.
I don't pay rent. I don't pay utilities, so I guess you could say that I'm living for free or off the kindness of the people that I'm staying with.
Next week, the bankruptcy judge in Tampa will consider a motion from Anthony's bankruptcy trustee to sell her life story to the highest bidder to satisfy at least some of the debt Anthony owes. Early on, a private citizen offered to pay $10,000 for those rights, simply so Anthony herself could not profit from her life story down the road. Anthony's lawyers argue that the effort to sell the rights to her story are being made to punish her for no reason other than spite. Now, this issue over selling the rights to Casey Anthony's life story will be heard in bankruptcy court in Tampa on Tuesday. In a related note, the attorney for Roy Kronk says at that time he will also argue his motion to depose Casey Anthony. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.